When it comes to home improvements, Dallas homeowners have a wide range of options to enhance their property's value. From kitchen upgrades to landscaping, each project carries potential benefits. However, one often overlooked improvement that can have a significant impact on a home's value is window replacement. In a city like Dallas, where climate, style preferences, and energy efficiency are key considerations, replacing old windows can yield substantial returns. Here's how window replacement can boost the value of your Dallas home. 1. Enhanced curb appeal. First impressions matter, and windows play a crucial role in defining a home's exterior aesthetic. In Dallas, where neighborhoods are rich in architectural diversity, from modern builds in Uptown to classic ranch homes in North Dallas, new windows can complement and elevate a home's style. Replacing outdated, worn, or mismatched windows with sleek, modern designs can immediately refresh the look of your property, catching the eye of prospective buyers and increasing its market value. Additionally, custom window options allow homeowners to match the unique style of their home while ensuring modern functionality. This harmony between design and practicality adds a layer of appeal that can differentiate your home in a competitive real estate market. 2. Energy efficiency and cost saving. Dallas is known for its scorching summers, with temperatures frequently climbing above 100 degrees Fahrenheit. Inefficient windows can let in excessive heat during the summer and fail to retain warmth during the occasional chilly winter. Modern window replacements are designed with energy efficiency in mind, incorporating features like double or triple pane glass, low emissivity, low E coatings, and advanced weather stripping. These upgrades significantly reduce energy consumption by maintaining indoor temperatures more effectively, lowering reliance on HVAC systems. According to the National Association of Realtors, NAR, energy-efficient windows can yield homeowners an energy cost saving of up to 15%. In Dallas, where energy bills can skyrocket in the summer, this benefit is particularly attractive to buyers who are mindful of ongoing utility costs. 3. Increased home value. Window replacement is not just about aesthetics or energy savings. It directly influences the appraised value of your home. Studies show that homeowners can recoup approximately 70 to 80% of the cost of window replacement upon resale. In Dallas's fast-paced housing market, where buyers are often willing to pay a premium for move-in ready properties, new windows can make your home stand out. Furthermore, real estate experts often highlight that buyers are willing to pay more for homes with recent energy-efficient upgrades. Highlighting new, high-performance windows in your listing can set your property apart from others that lack these features, ensuring a stronger negotiating position. 4. Improved comfort and noise reduction. In bustling Dallas neighborhoods, street noise from traffic, construction, or nightlife can be a concern for potential buyers. Replacing old windows with insulated, noise-reducing models can transform your home into a quiet retreat. These windows use laminated glass or soundproofing technologies to dampen external noise, creating a more serene living environment. In addition, modern windows improve indoor comfort by eliminating drafts and maintaining consistent indoor temperatures, which is particularly valuable in Dallas's varied climate. Comfort is a critical factor for buyers, making it an essential selling point for your home. 5. Greater security. Safety is a top priority for Dallas homeowners and prospective buyers alike. Modern windows often include reinforced frames, impact-resistant glass, and advanced locking mechanisms, making them far more secure than older models. This added layer of protection enhances the overall appeal of your property, particularly for families or buyers concerned with home security. 6. Eco-friendly appeal. Sustainability is increasingly important to Dallas homebuyers. Replacing windows with energy-efficient, environmentally friendly models reflects your commitment to reducing your home's carbon footprint. This eco-conscious upgrade aligns with the values of a growing segment of buyers, potentially increasing your home's marketability. Maximizing ROI with professional installation. While the benefits of window replacement are clear, ensuring a high return on investment requires professional installation. Improperly installed windows can lead to air leaks, water damage, and decreased efficiency, negating many of the benefits. Working with a trusted local contractor ensures that your new windows are installed correctly, maximizing their value. Conclusion. In Dallas's competitive real estate market, strategic home improvements are essential for maximizing property value. Window replacement stands out as a high-impact investment that enhances curb appeal, energy efficiency, and overall functionality. By upgrading your windows, you not only improve your living experience but also position your home to attract top-dollar offers when it's time to sell. Whether you're planning to sell soon or simply want to enjoy a more comfortable, energy-efficient home, new windows are a smart choice for Dallas homeowners.